Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. What a day it has been. The closing bell has sounded and the markets have mostly recovered from this big drops that we had this morning. The Dow is down just 40 points. The NASDAQ is down about 6.3 and the NASDAQ is down 26.38. Now, I want to take a look at what an amazing week this has been. Let's take a look at the past 5 days on the S&P. You can see that things were pretty quiet on Monday and Tuesday, but I'm going to actually trigger this here because on Wednesday, that was when the Senate Finance Committee passed the tax reform bill, and the markets, well, they started to climb, as you can see right there. This is a classic case of buy the rumor and sell the news. The rumor is that the bill could bring a big reduction in the corporate tax rates, and that's actually what took us all the way up to yesterday's record highs. But then comes the news that there are still problems with the bill. So Thursday's vote is denied or delayed. The markets do sink a little bit here. And then this morning we were actually doing pretty good, gaining back on track. We were hearing that the bill is still getting support, and then boom. You can see what happens there. Reports that former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn pled guilty to lying to the FBI about his contacts with the Russians and may have been directed to do so by someone high up in the Trump campaign. That caused big jumps across the board. The Dow itself sank 300 points. But that was just a speed bump. The market's actually recovered because the tax bill is still out there. It's still in the works, and a vote could be happening soon. And you can see how those same headlines had an effect on the Volatility Index right up here. As a matter of fact, if you take a look at it over the week, right after the news came out about Michael Flynn this afternoon, you can see it jumped more than 14 points, to over 14 points. And gold, well, if you ever needed evidence that gold is a safe haven, check it out. It's almost like a photo negative of the market. When the stocks dropped, gold futures soared. And it is now soared right here. This was actually after the Flynn news came out. Right now, gold is trading $6 at $1,279 per ounce. So we are waiting for the next shoe to drop. Will the Senate pass the tax bill? Who told Flynn to talk to the Russians? And how will that affect the president's economic plans? We will be watching, so you need to be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube page. And we will see you on Monday morning.